We've been doing this for roughly 32 years, and we are known as the slat replacement professionals.
So we have this program called Slat Vision. It is our inspection system that we built in-house. It is proprietary and it scores barns up to Altenburg standard. Overall, it's just measuring where your barn is landing at in the life cycle of its flooring.
I've been around hogs my entire life, and our goal with each and every product or job is to give the farmers the best solution that they can get. Not always is it the cheapest, so it's all about quality, and that's why Hog Slat's part of it. Every barn's different, just like the farmer. That is something that I love about this business, because farmers in this area do it this way, and you might even go 20 miles down the road and they might do things slightly different. Slats, by our knowledge, what we found out over the 30 plus years of doing this, they last about 25 to 30 years. Unfortunately, there's exceptions to that rule occasionally.
The age of the facility goes into it, the owner, how they take care of them. Typically we say 25 to 30 years your barn would be due for a slat replacement. But with this model, we can project out also when you might be falling into the replacement threshold. So I would recommend around year 20 could kind of be a start up to whenever you started noticing signs of degradation in your facility. So if you are noticing that your barn is getting up there in age and needs an inspection, I would highly recommend calling Altenburg Construction here and having us come out and inspect your facility. And we can get a game plan based off of where your barn is falling at in its life cycle. And if you're not in the replacement threshold, it'll give you a projection of when your barn will be needing those slats, so you can get ahead on capital planning.
Typically, what we're seeing on Hog Slat is even longer life than 25 to 30 years. Our belief, it's because of the repeated quality, whether it be the first one coming out of the mold or the 10th one or the 1000th one. From what we see time and time again, it's consistency in quality and adhering to quality control measures. The benefits is knowing that you're going to get what you pay for, and it's a quality product. I mean, it's proof is in the pudding, basically.
I would definitely recommend Hog Slat if your barn was within that replacement threshold.
You need to go with Hog Slat. I mean, it's the right choice.